Hey there, Fahad here from anfgraphics.com. Today's tutorial dives into creating an energetic logo reveal animation using After Effects and the free Saber plugin by VideoCopilot. Before we jump in, if you enjoy informative After Effects content, consider subscribing to the channel for more. So first, create a new composition 1080 by 1080 and name it to logo edit com. Now drag our logo into it. You can use any text or logo. Create another com and this time 1920 by 1080. Name it to logo reveal. Now drag our logo edit com and resize it. Align the logo in the center. Now go to layer and select auto trace option. Same setting and hit OK. Now hit M and open all keyframes on mask path and delete them. Then go to effect and preset, apply fill effect on layer and set the color to black. Now again go to effect and preset, apply Saber effect on it. Select the preset to fire, then select core type to layer mask. Now take a keyframe on start offset. At starting, set the value to 0 and after 2 seconds the value to 100. Now let's see the effect. Open glow setting and change the glow intensity to 40%. Then select render setting, check invert mask option. Now set the alpha mode to enable mask. Then drag our original logo, adjust the size, place it after 3 seconds. Now animate the opacity of both layer 1 and after. Now hit T on original logo layer and take a keyframe at starting 0% and after a few frames change it to 100%. Now select all keyframe and easy ease them. Then go to the graph editor and set the graph something like that. Take new adjustment layer on top. Now go to effect and preset, apply transform effect on adjustment layer. Then animate scale at 1 second, take a keyframe and set the value to 122 and after 3 seconds change it to 100%. Now take another keyframe and scale size change, so this time 88. Select all keyframe and easy ease them. Go to graph editor and set the graph something like that. Now drag our fog overlay. Set the blending option to screen and opacity to 20%. Now select adjustment layer and hit P for position. Take a keyframe after 5 seconds and change the position. Now add some text and animate with opacity. So our logo reveal animation is ready. Hope you like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.